Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Let me introduce ourselves.
My name is Rizal Milkshake.
My name is Niko Hatta Prawira.
My name is Nashwa Wale Ramadhani.
My name is Tiara Maulida.
Today we will tell you how to make Oreo milkshake.
And keep watching, guys.
Today is very hot.
Aha! How we make Oreo milkshake?
Milkshake.
The ingredients:
1 pack Oreo,
1 sachet condensed milk,
1 sachet good day coffee,
300 ml mineral water, and sprinkle, and ice. We use the tools include scissors, spoon, glass, and blender. First, put cube ice into the blender. Second, crush some Oreos for the topping. Then put the pieces of Oreos into the blender. Third, add 1 sachet of condensed milk. Fourth, add 1 sachet of good day coffee. Next, pour 300 ml of mineral water. Six, pour into the glass. Last, add some chocolate sprinkle and Oreos for the toppings. Finally, the Oreo milkshake ready to be served.
Yes. Good luck. Good.